the condition in SQL Server? Any idea?
No, sir.
Okay. So we have a several condition. How to use the condition? For using the conditions, first we have to I can explain here. Suppose we have a students. We have students. Okay, and they are getting different. What we are learning condition in SQL Server, and how can we understand this. So I'm giving one example. The one example, we have a students, they are getting different marks in the subject, right? So
Right.
now school school makes the some standard divisions, standard division for grade, for marks grade, right? Marks grade, am I right?
Right.
Like they have make some standard. If like if somebody's get 80 plus marks, okay, or 85 plus, let's say 85 plus marks will get a grade.
Yeah.
A grade same is like I give 70 plus marks, okay, 70 plus marks, then B grade. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
And if we give 75 plus mark, then C grade.
Yes.
Am I right? And then is or less than 40 is fail. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the mean here? So these are marks. If I make 80 plus 200, I make here is 70 to 85 or 84, sorry. Or here I make is C. Okay. Secret is like I make, okay, 60, let's see. 60 to 69. Then secret, or I make one more. Let's see. Here 42 make is 40 to 59, or like here 59, yeah. 59 degrade. Am I right?
Yes.
Please tell me. Okay. And then or less than 40 is a fail.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So what is the mean? This is the rule of the college. What is the mean? This is the rule of the college. Okay.
Right, sir.
They create a rules. Okay. To give them marks. Right. Or this is the standard divisions of the grade. Whatever it
Yes.
is. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the mean? So we call these are the conditions. We called. Okay. I can make here, not here. So these are conditions if grade based on marks,
Yes.
right? So these are conditions to give the grade to students based on the marks. Am I right?
Yeah.
So what is the mean? What should we use here? So what we will use? We can use like a if, less than, right?
Yeah.
The condition if and or. So here, like in Excel, we use
Okay.
if, okay, nested if or if conditions, right? We can here we use case when. What do we use here? We use here we use to make conditions when or case when, right? So what is the case when here? Case when, case when, case when is used for the condition logic. It's like it's SQL. Okay, in a SQL. So the case when is used for condition logic in SQL, simple meaning, but like a if else, okay, in Excel or programming real life, like I give an example, use for conditions in Excel, or sorry, SQL, like Excel, if or nested if, right? Now,
Yes.
example, example is if salary or like a marks more than 85 85 is a grade,
Yeah.
a grade, a grade, am I right? Otherwise, otherwise otherwise B, C, E, anyone, anyone as per marks standard. I can say this. Am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
You understood this? Now, do we have students table? Let's see. I want to check it here. Okay, what I'm going to do, I create a one table for this. Let's see. Should we create one table?
Yes, of course.
So I make students table or salary table. Okay, we can give the salary example,
Yeah, yeah, obviously.
right? So do we have a one salary example? Let's see whatever we have. Table,
Yes.
salary table, yeah. Eh, yes, employee
S-
table here, right?
Yeah, in this one.
Let's see. So here I'm giving the example of the table. Okay, the employees table salary. Let's see. What is the mean here? We have a different salary.
Yes.
Same here like this, like this. So what is the mean? I have to put the conditions. I'm I can say using employee table first table to make condition tables to make conditions, right? Let's see now. So I give here select from means from which table is employee table, right? Now what do you want? You want the name of the employees, right?
Right.
Name you got. Then you want here salary. Let's see salary.
Yeah.
Okay. Then If I make here, I want to use now case. What we have to use the case. We have to use case when. How can we use the case when? Let's see. First case, case. Okay, make this. Okay, tap order here. What is the case here? Case. Then we need a when, right? So when salary is more than what if we have a salary? Suppose it will be more than
60,000.
to 70,000. No, we will give more example, right? More condition. Then excellent or higher salary? Excellent. Excellent salary. Am I right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Same, if I give another example, then what will I do? Make here another same is 70 or not 70. What I'm giving, uh,
60.
level 60. Let's see, you are taking 60. Then is good salary, excellent
Yeah.
salary, good salary.
Yeah.
Then I make here is 50 equal to 50. Then is average salary,
Yeah.
average salary. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is the mean here? Okay, or I make here, wait one more, else, else low salary. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can I make this salary grade? Salary grade. Okay. Why I missed? Because I want just checking about the conditions. Now, what does it mean? We have to give as means this is the alias. Am I right? Salary grade. Now it is correct one. I hope you can see. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if you miss this and as means is the whatever is the salary grade. What is the grade? This one you want to grade, and this is the grade like a status
Okay.
as a alias. Okay,
So and as is what?
and
Is a syntax? Is a condition or what?
what we have a grade we are giving salary grade. Okay, so this is means is a column name. We have to give the column name.
So that I understand. I am asking and is what? And as is what?
And as is we have to give any column name. That's simple. Nothing else.
So I have to learn this also and as
Right. We
and
have to definitely it is a
and as.
necessary we have to make it. Okay, here, otherwise we'll get an error like this. You can see that one, right?
Sir, I don't know. I don't understand how to make syntax.
This is simple syntax. I can give the syntax now here. Okay, what is the main syntax here? Select the star whatever or column name, or make column name. I give like this. Okay, or like column whatever how many column names, then case. Okay,
The case is
then
condition.
right conditions. Okay, then no, when is the condition? Before using the condition we have to make case. Like if you go to in the code, then they will understand your case, then they will put some the conditions, right?
Okay.
So then the conditions, when is the condition? When is a condition?
And else is a condition also.
Conditions. No. Yes, else is also condition, right? When, then, else. Else is condition. Else is also condition. Is also a condition. Is also a condition. Am I right?
Yeah.
Am I right? Then we have to make here what is like a and else. Okay, and else. I make copy then and bring it. And else is like a and as you have to make column name to so the conditions status, right? What is it? And then table name and table name. I make this like a note, no, sorry, comment.